Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a creamy and cheesy macaroni and cheese. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by cooking our macaroni in boiling salted water until al dente. And just make sure that you constantly move it around so they don't stick together. Once we have cooked the macaroni, we're going to drain it and set it to the side. I'm going to be using the same pot. Just make sure that you dry it. To that, over medium heat, we're going to be melting our butter. Okay, to our butter, we're going to add all of our spices, along with our 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it together and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to whisk in our 3 cups of heavy cream, along with our 2 cups of milk. We're just going to whisk and allow this to thicken up. Okay, after 5 minutes, our sauce should have thickened up. So now we're slowly going to add our freshly grated cheese. Okay. So add all the cheese and just allow it to fully melt. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our cheese sauce. Okay, so we're going to turn it off and get ready to add the macaroni. So just make sure that it gets fully coated with the sauce. And you can stop here and get ready to serve it just like that. But I'm going to take it to the oven. So I got my oven preheating at 375 degrees. So I already got my greased baking dish. Just going to add half of my macaroni. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle it with some cheese. Okay, add the rest of the macaroni and cheese on top. And top it with some more cheese. Okay, so now we're going to place it in the oven and allow that cheese to melt. So between 15 to 18 minutes. Alright guys, and once we pull our macaroni out of the oven, we're going to allow it to sit for 5 minutes before we get ready to serve. Alrighty, and after 5 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. So of course, just scoop it in there. And serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that the best mac and cheese is homemade. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously so easy, so creamy, so cheesy, just simply delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And this is honestly my favorite, so I'm so ready. It's just perfect. The best. I promise you, everyone is going to love it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious macaroni and cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.